Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best hypoallergenic dog food that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Hill's Science Diet Dry Dog Food. Hill's Science is a top market player, a brand known for providing great quality animal food, among other essentials. Considering the recipe is custom manufactured for pets with gut problems, this dog food hypoallergenic diet is convenient in such a way that it is easy to digest. Also, the constituents used enhance fast and maximum absorption of nutrients. The nutritional components not only aid in boosting the pup's immunity but also help in nourishing the coat. Fleas and diseases are disastrous in destroying dog coat, and this food contains essential vitamins and amino acids that enhance the restoration of the luster. Worth noting, this diet is endorsed by vets as a safe diet for pups and a great nutritional source to foster better health. Moving on at number 4, we have the Diamond Naturals Skin and Coat Real Meat recipe. If you're on a budget and still want quality safe food for your pup, this Diamond Naturals diet is a great option. They are manufacturers of inexpensive hypoallergenic dog food on the market. The first benefit characteristic of this food is that it contains antioxidants, which are vital in enhancing resistance to diseases. Also, the diet contains prebiotics in approved quantities, and these help in the digestion process. The food is not only easy but also fast to digest, and this facilitates optimal nutrients absorption. The nutritional value of this affordable hypoallergenic dog food also helps in restoring skin luster. An important factor to check when buying hypoallergenic dog food is that this diet does not contain artificial additives. All ingredients used are organic and, therefore, suitable for pups with stomach problems. At number 3, we have the Blue Buffalo Basics Limited Ingredient Diet. Blue Buffalo pet feeds are among the best-selling diets on the market, as the brand is trusted for safe and quality food products for pups. The hypoallergenic diet dog food contains salmon as the primary dish and, therefore, great for dogs with a taste for fish. The diet constituent makes this food a reliable source for animal protein. With antioxidants included in the recipe, this hypoallergenic food for dogs is great for enhancing immunity against infections and diseases. Also, it promotes restoration and healing of the skin following damage by fleas and diseases. An essential attribute, this diet does not contain artificial additives. The recipe is easy to digest and therefore, an ideal meal for dogs with gut problems. At number 2, we have the Simply Perfection Super Premium Lamb and Brown Rice recipe. Another trusted dog diet brand is Simply Perfection. Their premium lamb and rice pup meal is a sufficient source of animal protein for pets and a serving of rice for energy. The diet does not have any additional additives as constituents. Considering some pup feeds have oversized chunks while others have too small chunks, this hypoallergenic diet dog food has chunks proportioned at convenient sizes to make it easy for different size dogs when eating. The recipe features great nutritional makeup as it contains amino acids and vital vitamins, which aid in boosting pup immunity. Also, the chunks are fast and easy to digest. Besides helping in boosting immunity, this hypoallergenic diet dog food also positively impacts the outer appearance of the dog as it helps in restoring coat luster. And finally at number 1, we have the Diamond Care Specialized Diets Dry Dog Food. Diamond Care is among the leading manufacturers of specialized pup food on the market. With salmon as the primary dish in the recipe, this food is a great source for animal protein. As this diet is specifically manufactured for pups with gut issues, it contains probiotics in approved quantities, which facilitates easy and speedy digestion. Having food substances stay in the stomach for long-awaiting digestion gives the entire gut a huge workload, and therefore quick digestion is convenient for dogs with stomach problems. Also, it contains antioxidants that come in handy in boosting immunity. In addition to not having any artificial additives, this food also helps in boosting pup skin health. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.